Selling your home for sale by owner? You're a rock star. But let's face it, transforming your house into a buyer magnet takes more than just a for sale sign and good. That's where these quick, budget-friendly hacks come in. They'll help you add sparkle without blowing your bank account, leaving you with more moolah for that tropical getaway after closing. De-clutter and depersonalize like a ninja. Imagine potential buyers picturing themselves, not your grandma's porcelain cat collection, in your living room. Pack away knick-knacks, family photos, and excess furniture. Aim for a clean, airy feel that whispers endless possibilities. Stage a mini-makeover, not a full-blown renovation. Fresh paint, especially in neutral tones, works wonders. Fix leaky faucets, replace burnt-out light bulbs, and ditch the mismatched towels. Think spa-like serenity, not Pinterest perfection. Embrace the power of plants. Greenery adds life and a touch of the outdoors. Opt for low-maintenance options like succulents or snake plants. Bonus points for strategically placed herbs in the kitchen. Let there be light. Open those curtains, baby. Natural light is a major selling point. If rooms feel dim, consider strategically placed mirrors or lamps. Remember, a well-lit space feels inviting and cheerful. Curb appeal is king or queen. First impressions count. Power wash the driveway, trim overgrown bushes, and plant colorful flowers. A welcoming entryway with a freshly painted doormat seals the deal. Unleash your inner Marie Kondo in the kitchen. Buyers love organized kitchens. Declutter cabinets and countertops. Shiny surfaces are your friend. Invest in inexpensive drawer organizers and spice racks. Bam! Instant chef-worthy vibes. Don't underestimate the bathroom blitz. Cleanliness is key. Scrub the tiles, replace rusty fixtures, and add fluffy towels. Bonus points for scented candles or a DIY reed diffuser. Spa vibes, anyone? Let technology be your silent salesperson. Virtual tours are hot. Showcase your home's best features with a quick video tour. Bonus points for adding upbeat music and cheerful narration. Think Bob Ross, not monotone robot. Remember, scent is a superpower. A subtle, fresh aroma can linger in buyers' memories. Bake cookies before an open house or diffuse essential oils like lavender or citrus. Think happy home, not overpowering perfume counter. Be a master of the mini fix. Squeaky door hinge, loose cabinet handle. Fix these minor nuisances yourself. Buyers appreciate a well-maintained home, and you'll avoid last-minute repair scramble. Bonus hack: unleash your inner cheerleader. A positive attitude and genuine enthusiasm for your home are contagious. Buyers will pick up on your love for the space, making it even more irresistible. So there you have it, for sale by owner warriors.